Welcome to the PatientPro Manager, a streamlined Notion template designed for seamless clinic management. This system is divided into two main panels, Secretary Panel and Doctor Panel. Let's start with the Secretary Panel, where clinic staff can efficiently manage appointments, schedules, and patient profiles. This panel consists of three key sections. Today's session's overview, where the secretary can track and change patient session statuses, including ongoing, critical, scheduled, or completed. Session timeline, which allows the secretary to view all appointments in different layouts, such as today's timeline, weekly, or monthly. Patient profiles directory, which provides a structured database for the secretary to access and manage patient records. To add a new patient, you can enter general information directly into the Patient Profiles directory table or open the profile. Let's add a new patient. To schedule a session, the secretary goes to the Patient Sessions List section and adds a new session, then fills in the details. The session instantly appears in the related sections in real time. There are various session types, including standard sessions, follow-up sessions, and checkup sessions. Each session type can be customized to fit the clinic's needs and workflows. Let's move to the Doctor Panel. The Doctor Panel is where medical professionals manage their daily workflow. The first section is Ongoing Sessions, which displays patients with an ongoing appointment status at the top. Now, let's take a look inside a session. Alongside the general information, there's a built-in FDA-approved medication database that allows doctors to quickly prescribe treatments. Doctors can also add new medications to the database when needed. Additionally, doctors have a structured workspace with organized session templates, which are fully customizable to match different consultation needs. Let's back to the Doctor Panel. The second section is Patient Profiles, which provides three views: Ongoing Sessions Patient Profile, Today's Patients List, and Patient Archives. Let's check one of the profiles. Here, the doctor can review the patient's session history and open each session for detailed insights. The third section of the Doctor Panel is the Financial Panel, where doctors can effortlessly track financial records. This panel provides a clear overview of total income, allowing doctors to review monthly and yearly summaries or analyze financial trends over time using different charts. This powerful Notion-based system ensures smooth clinic operations and improved patient management. Thank you for watching. Upgrade your clinic workflow today with PatientPro Manager.